Whether you're looking to cool off on a hot summer day or just relax and soak up the sun, a pool is the perfect place to do it. But where do you start when it comes to hiring a pool builder? Here are some tips to help you find the right professional for your needs.
We've been in business since 1972. What makes us special is that we refuse to cut corners. We are committed to producing a quality product for our customers. We genuinely care about what we do. We're in the customer service business. We just happen to build swimming pools, but we've been here for 50 years for that reason. The recipe is simple. Treat people like gold and do a quality job. Quality is everything to us, and there are less expensive ways to do anything. We refuse to use those tactics. We only use composite walls that are non-corrosive. We install fiberglass pools that last forever. We do it right the first time. Dedicating our time to teaching dealers how to do it the right way is so important to us. So in our off season, dealers from around the country fly into New York to come and talk to us and learn things about how to excavate, how to plumb, how to run a business. And we send them off with the tools to make their businesses better. And that is very important to us.
One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the type of pool you want. It's important to do your research and select the one that best fits your needs.
The first thing to consider when building a pool is seeing if a pool can fit in your backyard. Once we determine that, then we want to consider size and shape that would be best suited for your family. Second, and probably most important after that, would be the type of pool that we would want to build for your backyard. Here at Concord Pools, we specialize in two types of pools, vinyl lined and fiberglass. Our first offering is our vinyl lined pool. We feature a non-corrosive polymer wall system with an I-beam concrete brace paired with a 4,000 PSI concrete pool floor. We build the strongest vinyl pool structure on the market today. Our second pool that we offer and specialize in is our fiberglass pools. With our fiberglass pools, we have over 30 models available, so the design process is all done. What's also nice is it definitely cuts back the time frame for the installation. Within 24 to 48 hours, by the time the pool is delivered to site, we can have that pool completely outfitted and filled with water. With Latham's patented 8-layer manufacturing process, it features a ceramic core construction that offers strength and flexibility that no other fiberglass pool offers on the market today. Sometimes you may be paying a little bit more to have a Concord pool installed in your backyard, but that comes with the peace of mind that you have a 51-year company that's been in business that'll build you a pool to last. One of my favorite parts of the process is the design of the backyard, and we've invested in a program where we can three-dimensionally put all the pieces together for your backyard in one place where you can see a completed version of your pool and space before we even start digging. We can work with landscapers and designers and come up with those additional spaces that would not be just the pool itself, but maybe some additional features like the lounge area, possible outdoor kitchen, a bar, maybe a pergola, and a fire pit. The benefit to digitizing all of our records, it allows us to send notifications and run campaigns for our clients, not only to let them know about maybe some new innovations in our business, but also let them know that there's certain items that they should probably consider for replacement before they have maybe a situation that they need to replace it, such as a vinyl liner for their pool. The average life of a vinyl liner is about 8 to 12 years, and some clients might not know that. They may wait a little bit longer and get into a situation where they have some leaks and may need to actually replace a liner. This way we can be proactive about it and plan for these things in advance, and that's been something that we've gotten a lot of positive feedback. Again, life gets in the way.
Building a pool requires careful planning and execution to ensure a safe and enjoyable swimming environment.
Installing a proper swimming pool all comes down to planning. We go out and do a pre-layout with our customers after contract. And what that entails is an individual from our team going out and working with the customer and placing the pool in the yard. From here, we can come up with a time frame of how long that project is going to take. The project then goes to scheduling, and that way we can stay on track as far as budget and timing for that individual project. With any construction project, it is very important to start from the beginning and start it properly. And what that comes down to is pulling the proper permits and coordinating with local agencies as far as where we can dig and where we cannot dig. Here in upstate New York, we use DigSafe, and there are a lot of contractors that are out there that will not even reach out to DigSafe. Where all our jobs here at Concord Pools, we go through DigSafe to make sure that we don't disrupt any utilities in place. Most construction companies operate on spreadsheets and manila folders. This keeps the data spread out and it's not in one place. We designed our own system from the ground up that is a centralized database and application that lives online. By having the Concord portal, we are able to keep our employees and also some of our strategic partners and suppliers up to date at all times as our schedule changes.
Superior customer service from an award-winning team of qualified technicians.
We are going to give you the tools and the training to have a successful career in the pool industry. We do that through an employee track program. It has 3 tiers: apprenticeship, journeyman, and master pool builder. Each of those tiers has multiple tasks where if you learn those tasks, you are rewarded. The more you learn, the more you can make. We give them the tools to succeed.
My experience has been awesome at Concord Pools. It's really a great family atmosphere where the employees are able to decide what they want to do for work and they get to drive their own path. No one's a number here, so the owner could walk in, John Fauché, and he's going to say hi and he's going to call you by name. Anyone that's here, it's all family. Concord Pools, best place to work.
Elevate your home's value and aesthetic appeal with a beautiful swimming pool that the whole family can enjoy.
Concord's been here, like I said, 50 years, and we can only be here 50 years if we are a full-service provider. That's everything from opening your pool in the summertime, closing it in the wintertime, taking care of your spa, taking care of your pool on a weekly basis. We have retail showrooms where you can have your water tested. Computerized water testing is done free at all of our locations. We also perform pool renovations. When you keep in mind that Concord Pools has built over 15,000 pools in the Albany, New York area, there are a lot of pools there that we go back to and we fix up. We change liners. We started in 1972, so we have a lot of pools out there that we take care of. When you see 30 trucks roll out of the back lot here in the morning and the fog is lifting and those trucks are going out and you're watching the taillights go, it's exciting because you know they are going out to make people's days. The coolest part of my job is to walk outside and watch that all happen. You're watching everybody go around getting product, putting it in their trucks to go out and serve our customers. When you come to Concord, we want to make sure that we have everything to outfit your backyard.
Want to know more about Concord Pools and Spas? Visit concordpools.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.